essential part of fashion and beauty in other countries, and they have been used for centuries. Wigs can add length and volume to the Persian hair, or give them a completely different look with a different hair color or style. The process of creating a wig is a complex one and requires an expert touch. In this video, we will look at how wigs are made from start to finish. The most common hair used to make wigs is human ramie hair, which is highest quality human hair available. Once the type of hair has been chosen, the wig maker begins the process of constructing the wig. The first step is to measure the head for the correct sizing and create a wig cap. Next, the hair hand tied or weft to the wig cap. Hand tied wefts are small sections of hair that are tied by hand to the wig cap, whereas weft are pre-made sections of hair that are sewn onto the cap. Both techniques help to give the wig a more natural-looking hairline. Once the hair are tacked to the wig cap, the wig maker begins to style the wig. This involves combing the hair into desired style and cutting and layering the hair to create a natural look. The wig can also be colored and styled to match the wearer's hair. The finished wig is then ready. Wigs made from human hair have a more natural look and can be styled in any way desired. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Bye!